Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will discuss environment variables. To access the environment variables in your Titan account, go to www.formtitan.com, log in, click on Settings, and click on the Environment Variables subtab. Environment variables are variables that you can declare throughout your Titan organization. Variables that you set here can be referenced and used all throughout your Titan projects. There are two types of variables: static or project level variable. A static variable is one in which you can specify a value. For example, here in my account record type variable, I've set it as static and put the value as the ID of an account record type in my example Salesforce environment. Something such as this might be useful if you were going to reference a record type throughout a number of projects and you have a number of environments in use, such as several Salesforce sandboxes. As you know, record type IDs and other type IDs are subject to change until sandboxes are refreshed. Here is a place where you can set them and just have to make a change one time in your Titan environment. Variables can be either public or private. A private variable can be referenced only in a Salesforce get or a push and is stored and run on the Titan servers. A public variable, on the other hand, is executed in the browser and can be referenced from various places within a Titan project, including gets, pushes, documents, variables, elements, etc. The second type of environment variable is a project variable. This sets a reference to a Titan web project. These can be used if you are redirecting from one project to another. These are useful again because as you move projects through various Titan environments, URLs might change, but this reference set here will not change. Let's show an example of adding a variable. Just click the Add Variable button. Give your variable a name. Choose static or project. In this case, I will choose static. I will put in a test value, and I will make this private. I will not check the public box. So that new variable will hold a value of 123. It can be referenced in any get or push to Salesforce. It cannot be referenced in any other part of a Titan project. Now let's set a project level variable. I'll call it new proj variable. I will choose project, and I'll click the Choose Project button. Here, all of the projects that are available in this environment are shown. Let's set a reference to assign project. We'll go to Docs. I'll pick my construction contract mapped example. Again, this is a Titan assigned project. Now, we can reference this variable here in various places throughout Titan web projects to launch this particular sign project. And when we promote this to a new environment, there is no need to update a URL. You can export your variables to other Titan environments, same as you do with Titan projects. Click on the three dots, click Export, and you can choose either a related account, one in which you've already set up a relationship between this Titan org and the other account, or you can use a pen as provided from the other environment in which you wish to export this variable. And that's how it's done.